I prepared Kienyeji chicken by boiling in a pressure cooker, then grilling in an air fryer. The outcome was amazing. Hello good people, Jessie is my name, and on this channel we are all about simplifying your lifestyle. And on today's video we are going to prepare Kienyeji chicken in a different way from our previous recipes. And the first thing we are going to do, we are going to boil the Kienyeji chicken in a pressure cooker. I love this electric pressure cooker because it saves me time. One mistake I did while preparing this Kienyeji chicken is that I put too much water, but nonetheless we'll look for a way to fix that somewhere along the video. I allowed the chicken to boil for about 15 minutes. Kienyeji chicken is usually a bit hard, so it needs time to soften a bit. Once the chicken was ready, time to air fry. I laid that parchment paper below the grill just to ensure that I protect my air fryer from the stains of the oil and the outcome of whatever is on the food. Then I oiled the grill so that the meat does not stick. I've been trying to avoid using oil when I'm using the air fryer, but I realized the food is sticking on the grill, so I decided to start oiling. Allow me to talk about our giveaway. We have a complete Meko burner and cylinder that we are giving away to our subscribers and followers on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and IG. Once we hit 10,000 subscribers and 10,000 followers. So introduce as many people as possible. Maybe if we notice someone is so dedicated, we might give something before the 10,000. But for now, our ultimate prize is the Meko burner and cylinder that we're going to give away once we hit 10,000 subscribers. So keep subscribing, keep following us on our other social media pages, and we really appreciate the 1,440 of you. Thank you so much for considering us worthy of your subscription. Since I used too much water to boil my meat, I decided to season the Kienyeji chicken again to enhance the flavor. As you all know, I season my meat before storing. So in this case, I decided to redo the seasoning. Yeah, and then I'm going to put it in the air fryer for 15 minutes on one side, and I decided to do 10 minutes on the other side because I realized the meat was almost cooked and I was happy with the outcome. What do you think about this meat? My honest take is that it doesn't taste as good as the ordinary chicken when it is prepared in an oven, but it was super delicious.